This dance is called Mucara walk. 32 count, 4 walks. There's no tag and no restart for this dance. Let me show you section 1. Starting with our right foot, walk forward on right, walk forward on left, rock right to right, recover on left with a cross. Step left to the side, step right behind left, rock left to the side, recover, cross. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. Step right to the side, step left behind right, step right to the side, step left next to right, make a quarter to your right, step left forward, make a pivot, half turn to the right, with a left shuffle, forward, together, forward. With a count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, rock right to right side, rock, recover on left with a cross. Repeat for the left, rock left to the left, recover on right with a cross. Forward mambo on your right, rock, recover, back. Do a back lock step with your left. Back lock step. Section 3 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Last section, do a step lock step with your right. Step lock step. Rock left back. Recover on right. Step left forward. Stomp right next to left with a clap and hip bound. Left, right, left. So last section again with the count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And you finish the dance here. Let me start the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and